and welcome to our channel Zenith Academy Online. I am Shahana and today we are doing part 4 of trigonometry for class 10. Now in our previous 3 parts we have completed what are trigonometric identities, the ratio between the trigonometric functions, and we have solved some sums as well. In this video we are going to learn the values of some standard angles, and also we are going to learn how to read the trigonometric table. So without any further ado, let's start. So to start with, let's start with trigonometric ratio table for standard angles. Now what are standard angles? They are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. They are the 5 standard angles, and we have listed these 6 trigonometric functions alongside. These values are what we need to actually remember, but don't get scared. Actually, we have created a separate video to learn the trick how to find these values. So you don't have to remember these values. You can find these values in just few seconds. So what you need to do is just go and check out that video. In that video, we have taught you a palm trick using your left hand and marking these angles and finding the values. So it's very easy. I have put the link in the description box below. Also check the I button so that you can find the video easily. So these are the values for the tables. Now, since we know how to find the values for these tables, let's solve a question. Find the value of x if sin x is equals to sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. So if we just go back to the table, for reference for this question I am showing you the table. You just learn the trick so that values you can find out in the exam that time. Now since our question was sin 60 degree and cos 30 degree, so sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, and what is our cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2. Then we have cos 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So what is cos 60 degree here? 1 by 2. And what is sin 30 degrees? 1 by 2. So from this table, what we have the values are sin 60 degrees was root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees was also root 3 by 2. Now minus cos 60 degree, we found the value as 1 by 2, and sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So what we need to do now? Just solve it. Sin x is equals to root 3 by 2 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will give us 3 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4. So our answer will be 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. So sin x is equals to 1 by 2 is the answer. Isn't it easy? Actually, it is always easy if you know the trick how to find these values. You will never get confused on how to solve these type of sums. If you know the trick to find these values, then you just need to put the values in this question and solve and find the answer. Now let's move on to our next topic. Table of sine, cosines and tangents, or in simple terms, the trigonometric table. Now what is a trigonometric table? How does it look? Let's see. See, this is the trigonometric table. Now what are the different rows and columns represent? This first column is marked as from 0 to 89 degree at interval of 1 degree, which means 0 degree, 1 degree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 89 degrees. Now this row, in this row there are columns which are marked from 0 dash to 60 dash at intervals of 6 dash. 0 dash to 60 dash at intervals of 6 dash, which means 0, 6, 12 dash and so on till 60 dash. Now what does this dash means? Actually, for 1 degree in this trigonometric table, 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts, and each part represents a minute. So 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, or we represent it as 60 dash. The minutes are represented by the dash. So from 0 to 60 dash at intervals of 6 dash, the columns are marked here. Then again there is a column in which it is written in reverse order, that is from 89 to 0 degree. 89, 88, 87 till 0 at an interval of 1 degree. And then we have a column of mean difference which is marked from 1 dash to 9 dash, that is 1 minute to 9 minutes. Now what is mean difference column and what does it mean? And now how to find the value of sine, cosine and tangents from it. First, let's start with how to find the sine of an angle using the table. So, for example, let's take one question. Find sine 36 degrees 51 dash. So, you will be given a question like this. Find the value of sine 36 degree 51 dash. This can be also said as 36 degrees or 51 minutes, right? So, now we will be given a table like this. This is a sample table I have taken. Now, see, first column, the degrees were marked from 0 to 89. So, here the degree is given 36 degree. Now, if we have been given 36 degree only, then we would have taken this value, that is the value below 0 minutes, because no minutes were mentioned. But since here 51 minutes are mentioned, so we need to find the value of 36 degree and 51 minutes. Now if we clearly see 36 degree, now there is no number 51, so we will take the minute, the minute just below 51, that is 48, right? And what is the value of 48 given to us? 5990. Then we know that the last column was a mean difference column. Now what is mean difference? See, we need the value of 51 minutes. 51 minutes is not marked here. So we have taken the minute just below 51, that was 48. Now what is 51? 48 plus 3 is equals to 51. So we have a difference of 3. So this is what mean difference is. This trigonometric table actually gives us the value till 4 decimal places. So now for 36 degrees, only 36 degree, the value is 0.5878. Now we don't need this value. We need to find 36 degree 51 dash. Just in the line of 36 degrees for 48 dash, what is the value given to us? 5990. So sine 36 degree and 48 dash or 48 minutes is equal to what? 0.5990. See, please do not make this mistake. This is not 5990. This number will come after the decimal and so this will be 0.5990. This is how we need to read it. Okay. Now, to make it 51 minutes, we need to add 3 minutes. So, what is the value of 3 given? 7. This is not 7 since this table gives us the value till 4 decimal places. So, this 7 is actually 0.00 and 7. See, after 7 we cannot put 0 because it does not have any value. So, for 4 decimal places, this will be taken like this. Now, for particularly sign, the method is we add the mean difference. Okay. This method will change in according to different functions. So, now what will be our 36 degree and 51 dash? This will be equal to, just add this. So, this will be 0.5997. Right? When we add this. See, I just revise it again. What we need to do, when we are given the value like this, 36 degree 51 dash. So, first find in the column where is 36 degree line. Now, in that row of 36, we need to find the minutes value. So, now here 51 dash is given. So, 51 is marked nowhere here. So, we will take a value less than 51 which is marked here. So, a value just less than 51 is 48, right? So, first we will take the value. This will be read it as 36 degree 48 minutes. So, the value will be 36 degree 48 minutes, and when the value is given like this, right? 5990. So, this is not 5000. This value is after the decimal points, so 0.5990. And now what is the difference between 51 and 48? It is 3. So 3 is our mean difference. So now in the mean difference column, alongside 36, look at the value for the mean difference 3. So mean difference, the value in the column mean difference 3 is given to us as 7. So this is actually what? 0.007, and hence our answer will be 0.5997. Okay? Let's see how to find the cosine of an angle using the table. See, reading the table, the method remains the same. To find the cosine, there is a slight difference. I'll tell you when we solve this. Our question is find cos 62 degrees 27 dash or 27 minutes. Now, our table is given to us 62 degrees. We will look for in this column first 62 degrees. Now, alongside 62 degrees, the value is 0.4695. Now this is 0 minutes. If there would have been no minutes here, we would have taken just this value for 62 degrees. But since we have 27 minutes, so now we cannot take this value. For 62 degrees, we will search 27 minutes. Now 27 minutes is not marked here. So we'll take a value just less than 27 marked in the table. And just less than 27 value is 24 minutes. So, the value for 24 minutes is 4633. Remember, this is the value after the decimal point. So, and now this is 24. What is the difference between 27 and 24? 3 minutes. So, for in the mean difference column, we will look for the value of 3 minutes. Here, the value of 3 minutes is given to us as 8, which is actually 0.0008. When it is cos 62 degrees 24 dash, value will be 0.4633. Now in sine, we added this mean difference, right? For cosine, what we need to remember is we need to subtract this mean difference, okay? This is only the difference between the method of sine and cosine. So, the value of 3 minutes is what? 8, which is 0.0008. This we will subtract. So, what will be our value? 0.4625, right? So, what we need to remember, in sine, we add the mean difference to the value, and in cosine, we subtract the mean difference from the value and find the final value. Okay, how to find the tangent of an angle using the table. There was a difference between sine and cosine only. Now tangent is same as what we did in to find the sine of an angle. Tangent, the method is same. See how. Find tan 53 degrees 38 minutes. We'll search for 53 degrees in the column. 53 degrees. Now alongside 53 degrees, we need to search for 38 minutes. Is 38 marked anywhere? No. So minutes just less than 38 minutes marked is 36, right? And the value for 36 minutes is given to us as 3564. Now we need 38 and we have 36. So what is the mean difference? 2. So in the mean difference column, what we will look? For the value of 2 minutes, which is given to us as 16. Now if you see clearly, the value of 53 degrees is 1.3270. It is not 0 point some figure, okay? This is 1.3270. So please in exam, don't make this mistake. First look for the value of 53 degrees. Is it in 0 point something or 1 point something or whatever it is given? So here this is 1 point something. So we will take for each and every value 1 point something value like this. See how. Tan 53 degrees and 36 minute value will be 1.3564. This value is after the decimal point, and before decimal point the value is 1, which we found from here, okay? So 1.3564, and what is the mean difference? The mean difference is 2. So 2 minutes, the value is 16, which is 0.0016. Now please see, for mean difference I have taken 0 point only. Mean difference, it does not change. For this value, it will change for only this value, right? 53 degrees is equal to 1.3270. So 53 degrees and 36 minutes will be equal to 1.3564, and mean difference, the mean difference which we have to add is 0.0016. Please be careful with these numbers, okay? So now we just, as in sine, we added the mean difference. So here also we will add, and our value will be 1.3580. So our value is 1.3580 for tan 53 degrees 38 minutes, okay? So this was the method to read the table and to find the values of sine, cosine and tangent of any angle given to us. Let's practice one more question. Use tables to find cos 26 degree 32 minutes. Okay, table is given to us. Okay, this table will be given to you in exam. Okay, now what we need to do, In the first column, search for 26 degrees. In the row of 26 degrees, we need to search for the minutes. Now here it is 32 minutes. 32 is not marked anywhere here, but the minute just less than 32 is 30 minutes here. Okay, and we have the value of 30 minutes here. 32 minutes minus 30 minutes, the difference is what? 2 minutes. So in the mean difference column, which is this, we will look for the value of 2 minutes, which is given to us as 3. Now it is easy. Cos 26 degrees and 30 minutes is equal to what? 0.8949. The value, the mean difference value for 2 minutes is 3, which is 0.003. Now for cos, what we do? We subtract. So let's subtract this, which will give us 0.8946. Now for suppose if you are given a value from the table and we need to find the degree and the minutes. So how will we do that? Find the acute angle theta if the value of sine theta is, see, the function given to us is sine theta, and for sine we need to find the value, we need to find which degree of sine is equal to 0.4848, right? Now if we see the table, in this table 0.4848 is the value equal to 29 degrees. So 0.4848 is equal to sine 29 degrees. Okay, see why? Because minutes, here it is 0 minutes, and the value 4848 is actually equal to, is actually in the row of 29 degrees. So we will just write sine 29 degrees. Similarly, we have the value 0.3827. Now when you are given the table, look for the value of 3827 in the table. Here it is alongside 22 degrees and marked at 30 minutes. So the value of 0.3827 will be equal to, since the function is sine theta, so we will take sine 22 degrees, we will write first the degree, and the minutes is 30 minutes. Okay, so this is how we need to find the value. See, we learned how to read the tables. If still you feel there is any doubt or there is any confusion, please do let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Keep the learning on.